In a previous video, I showed you how to divide a circle into 24 parts or segments using protractor. Today, I will revisit the same problem, but this time I am going to divide the circle into 24 parts using only a compass. So, let us get started. The previous method using the protractor has the problem that any small error in the chord measurement can accumulate to larger error by the time we divide the circle into 24 parts. That problem can be eliminated if we use the compass. Let us see how. First, draw the circle that you want to divide into 24 parts. Here I have drawn a circle of 50 mm radius. Draw the horizontal and the vertical diameters. I am using the protractor only to draw a perpendicular line, which is quite easy this way. You can also practice this way of drawing a perpendicular line. In the previous video, I made an angle of 15 degree using the protractor because for 24 parts of a circle, each segment will make an angle of 15 degree at the center. Then I used a compass to measure the chord. Now I use this chord length to make 24 cuts on the circumference of the circle. Then joining each cut with the center of the circle gave me 24 parts or segments of the circle. But this time I will use only the compass. Take the length of the radius of this circle on your compass. Make these cuts from the 2 points as shown here in each quadrant. This is the method of dividing the circle into 12 parts. You may remember from my another video. Each segment here makes an angle of 30 degree. So now we have to divide this 30 degree segment into two halves of 15 degree each. I will first divide this 90 degree angle into half, that is 45 degree each. Follow the standard method of dividing an angle. I am taking a larger angle of 45 degree so that the error in making a smaller angle of 15 degree on a compass can be avoided. So this cut is at 45 degree with the horizontal or vertical radius. This also divides the previous cuts into two halves. Now, use the compass and take this chord which makes an angle of 45 degree at the center. Now make these cuts which basically divide the previous 30 degree angles into two halves. You need to do this only in half of the circle. Now draw straight lines between each cut and the center of the circle. Extend the line to the other side of the center, reaching the opposite side of the circumference. Now this circle has been divided into 24 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments or question, please do write them down below in the comment section.